In this video, I'll show you how you can save videos that are on your computer or laptop to a USB drive. So first, go ahead and plug in your USB drive into your laptop or computer. Now once you've done that, Windows will probably recognize it and open up a file explorer, showing you the contents of your drive. Now don't worry if that doesn't happen, you can go and open up your file explorer, then you can go to this PC, and here you should see your local drive for your computer, as well as your USB drive as well. Go ahead and double click onto your USB drive. If you don't see it, your USB drive is either broken or you need to plug it into a new USB port on your computer. Now we've got the USB drive open, we can right click on File Explorer again, and you can head over to File Explorer, and that will open up again File Explorer in a new window. From here, what you can do is find your video files. So mine are in this folder here. Now what I can do is I can manually highlight them all, or if I click inside of the folder, I can hold down Ctrl and A on the keyboard and that will select all of them. From here we can right click and then click on copy. Now minimize this window and head back to the File Explorer inside of your USB drive. You can then right click and click paste. That will then paste all of the videos from your computer to your USB drive. Now, if you go to the upwards arrow in the bottom right hand corner of Windows, you need to right click on the USB drive icon and eject it so you can then remove your drive safely.